Hey everybody! Obviously I've already taken the time to curl up my hair because this takes about 10 minutes. A little bit longer than some of us like, but this is the curling iron that I use, a little bit smaller, and I do the fuller curls, so one forward, one back, one forward, one back. But I like to do the smaller curls because this style will last me a couple of days. So this is what it looks like after I've curled it, obviously. But what I like to do first, of course, freeze and shine it, but I will go through and wreck it all up. Get that big 80s hair going. Separate all them curls up. Just so you could have that big, natural, curly hair kind of look, unkept messiness. When you back comb it, it'll just fluff and puff. You put it in place. Big and messy. You know I like the big hair. I told you. I'm not playing with this big hair. The bigger I can get, the better. But I'm telling you, every time I wear this, people are like, oh my gosh, I love your hair. People like big, messy, curly hair. We love it. I don't know why we're attracted to it. Because it's awesome. Doesn't this look like an awesomely bad perm from the 80s and 90s? That's my goal. That's where I'm going with this. That's what I like. And you can still have the bangs, this piece. You might want to separate some curls out. They'll kind of go forward. And then of course, your end. Our favorite, Mr. Paul Mitchell, comes through with a little freeze and shine. And that's it, see? Then you have a fun, wild, sexy, big, curly. It looks natural, like if it was my natural own napped up curl. For all of you ladies out there that have natural napped up curls already, I'm jealous. I wish I was you. I know you've hated your hair forever, but girl, give me it, please. Thank you guys for watching. Little curling iron, curled up. Big fat teasing, afro puff, natural look. If you liked the video, press like, subscribe, tell your friends, share the videos. We're getting through the new year. My new year has been great so far, so I hope yours has too. This 2018 is changing everybody's lives, okay? We're gonna stick through it, we're gonna handle it, and have a great year.